Welcome back, guys, to Jarrett the Journeyman. We're back at the water station and water treatment plant, and this is the inside of the service. If you saw my service video, this is the inside of the building, the new MCC that's gonna be installed. So you can kind of see back here, old and new. Let me get you guys turned around and I'll show you exactly what's going on. All right, well, inside this building, we've got this old gray MCC motor control that controls these two pump motors. These are wells. And they've got expansion for one more right here. So you can see these two sections of MCC, and we've already got the new 3 sections here that are going to hook up to these new sections here. What we got to do is we got to get a shutdown going and get a generator out here, get some temporary power so that we can pull this out, temporary, a service to this far motor over here, the one that you hear leaking, so that it can run while we take these 2 sections out and install these 2 sections, hook up the service from the outside into these 2 new sections, and then we will disconnect the temporary service to this pump and get it tied into the MCC, the new MCC, which will then have to be programmed and everything else put online. So the swap out will take place within the next couple of weeks. We're just making sure all our ducks are in a row and everybody's online on what they need to do. We've got to get people with the SCADA system out here, make sure the SCADA system is tied in to the new MCC, and get it disconnected from the old MCC. So we've got all that, plus we've already got our junction boxes sitting right there, ready to be tied in to the new MCC. And then we can go from there. But this is the last step of about a year project that we've been doing. And the hard part right now is to get these moved to here, because what you don't see is coming up from the floor, going out, are conduits that are feeding these 2 pumps. So we have to elevate this section, get the section up and over the conduits, and then bring this section in, get it scooted over, get it up and over the conduits, and then we have to connect. You guys can see the fingers sticking out there. We have to take and connect these slots right up here, bolt those in on the sides up here. Let's see if I can do this. Right in here and right down there. Those have to be bolted into this. Let me get over here, show you guys. You can see these fingers sticking out with both holes in them, and those are the continuous bus. Then we have the control wires going over to here, and the bus will connect there and there. So once we get everything together, we'll have to get all that squeezed in, and the conduits will fit. You can kind of see that 2x4 or 2x6 in there. The conduits will come up in that window, and we'll be back online. So guys, stay tuned. We'll have some videos going on that. once we get everything in place and going. So guys, thanks for watching. If you guys like what you see, hit the subscribe button. It really helps out. And be safe out there.